Hello everyone, welcome to Developers Checkpoint. In today's video, we are going to see the algorithm of how can we detect whether our linked list has a loop or not. So what's the problem statement? So basically we are provided with a linked list, but there is an issue with a linked list, or there can be a probability in a linked list that our linked list has a loop in it. So we have to detect whether the linked list has a loop or not. So let's discuss how can we solve this problem. So we solve this problem using the rabbit and hare approach. So basically we take two pointer, we take a fast pointer and a slow pointer, and at every step we are moving the fast pointer by two steps and the slow pointer by single step. And if there is a point where the fast and slow pointer meet, then the linked list has a loop. Okay, so let's see this in action. So we are having a fast pointer, so the fast pointer will move by two steps and the slow pointer will move by one step. Now the next of fast pointer is not null and then the fast pointer is not null. So we will move the fast pointer again by two steps and the slow pointer will again move by one step. The fast pointer hasn't reached the end of the linked list, so we will move the fast pointer again by two steps and the slow pointer by one step. Now we will continue moving the fast pointer by two more steps. And at this point we can see that the fast and the slow pointer are pointing to the same node. So therefore we can conclude that the linked list is having a loop. So we have seen the algorithm. Now let's move to the coding part. So we have created a linked list and we have artificially created a loop in the linked list by pointing the last node to the head pointer. So we are having a linked list like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the next of G will be pointing to A. So here we can see that the linked list is having a loop. So what we will do, we are going to write a function detect loop in linked list. So we will start the function by taking two pointers that are the fast and slow pointers. And after that we will traverse the linked list till the point the fast and the slow pointer are not null and the next of fast is not null. And at every step we are moving the fast pointer by two step and the slow pointer by single step. And if there is a point where the fast pointer is equal to the slow pointer, then we will return true because the linked list has a loop in it. And if we reach the end of the linked list, that is the fast pointer is null or the next of the fast pointer is null, then that means that the linked list is not having a loop. Okay, so in this way we find a loop in a linked list.